Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Crompton Smart Smart Plug. On the front of the package, there is an image of the product right in the middle. The Crompton branding is on the top left. On the top right, we can see that the plug is the 16 ampere kind. On the bottom left, there is some information regarding the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. On the bottom right is the model name. On the left hand side of the package are some of the salient features, which include control of appliances via voice or via smartphone. We also have an on-off schedule. You can also use the plug to monitor energy consumption. And lastly, it is compatible with a large variety of appliances. We can also see that it is compatible with Alexa and OK Google. On the right hand side of the package, we have some information regarding the importing and manufacturing, and on the bottom, we have some information regarding the customer care. The back of the box is exactly the same as the front. There's nothing on the bottom, and there's some Crompton Smart branding on the top. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the box, so let's get into it now. Inside, we get some reading material in the form of a quick start guide. This should help you get started with pairing the smartphone using the application, and it should help you get started off with understanding and using the product. Coming to the product itself, we can see that it is round in shape. It has a matte white finish on the top and a glossy white finish around it. On the left hand side, we can see some Crompton branding, and underneath that or next to it, we have the power button. You can press the power button and it has a click kind of mechanism to it. On the bottom, we have some more Crompton branding, and we can see that it is a standard 3-pin Indian plug, but the 16 ampere version. Inside the plug point, we can see a safety shutter to prevent electrical mishaps. So that's about it in terms of the plug. Let's see it in action now. Here we have the smart plug connected to a power strip, and we have also set up the My Crompton app, which helps with using this smart plug. Once it is set up, you can use the app to do various things like power on the device. All it takes is a tap on the power button on the smartphone, and as we can see, the light comes on onto the smart plug. We can also use the app to schedule the timings when you want it to turn on or off, and we can also monitor our electricity consumption on the app itself. So this was the unboxing of the Crompton Smart Smart Plug. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.